Welcome to a brand new journey into the world of speed and precision. Today we dive into the soul of the 2026 Corvette Z06, a machine that is not just a car but a living, breathing symphony of performance and design. Every inch of this masterpiece screams passion and perfection, built for those who demand more than just the ordinary. The Z06 enters 2026 with a roar that is impossible to ignore. The heart of this beast is its naturally aspirated V8 engine, delivering power that feels limitless. It is not just about horsepower, it is about the way it connects to the road with each rev. You feel the pulse of American engineering at its finest. The exhaust note is raw, untamed, and alive. It resonates deep within your chest, reminding you that this is not just transportation, it is pure adrenaline. The exterior design is sharper, more aggressive, and sculpted to perfection. Every curve and line serves a purpose, from the aerodynamics that keep it glued to the asphalt at high speeds to the wider stance that makes it look ready to pounce. The 2026 Z06 is not simply built to be seen, it is built to be feared on the track and admired on the streets. The front fascia is bold, with larger intakes and an athletic stance that commands attention, without a single word. Step inside and you enter a cockpit that is futuristic yet driver-focused. It wraps around you like a racing suit, every control within reach. Every material chosen for both beauty and purpose. Carbon fiber accents mixed with fine leather give it an edge of luxury while never distracting from its performance DNA. The seats hug you tightly, keeping you locked in as if preparing you for the ride of your life. The digital cluster and infotainment system bring advanced technology seamlessly into the driving experience, but everything here is centered on one mission: to drive. On the track, the 2026 Corvette Z06 is a predator. It devours corners with precision thanks to its advanced suspension system and finely tuned aerodynamics. It dances with the road in a way that makes you forget it is even possible for a car at this level. The brakes bite with confidence. The steering reacts instantly. It feels alive and responsive, as if it knows exactly what you want to do before you even think it. Off the track, it transforms into a refined cruiser. The dual personality of this machine is what makes it so extraordinary. With the push of a button, you can move from track monster to everyday companion. The adaptive features soften the ride but never compromise the essence of what makes it special. It is thrilling yet practical, wild yet elegant, a car that refuses to be defined by just one role. The engineering behind this model is the result of relentless pursuit of perfection. Decades of Corvette heritage flow into its veins, but with every new innovation, it steps boldly into the future. It honors the past while rewriting what the future of American performance should be. This is not just another sports car, this is a statement of dominance. The 2026 Corvette Z06 does not just drive, it captivates. It creates an experience where time slows down, and the only thing that matters is the connection between driver and machine. Whether you are on the open road or the racetrack, it promises memories that will stay etched in your mind forever. This is not about getting from point A to point B, it is about the thrill of everything in between. So sit back, imagine your hands on the wheel, the engine roaring behind you, the wind rushing past as the world blurs at the edges. This is more than driving. This is freedom. This is passion. This is the 2026 Corvette Z06, a car that does not just raise the bar, it becomes the bar itself. Thank you for joining and stepping into the world of true performance. Until next time, keep your passion alive and your dreams moving forward, because the road ahead is always waiting for those ready to take it. Thank you.